And next topic is ultrastructure of bacterial cell. Okay, we will learn this topic by the help of the diagram. Ultrastructure of a bacterial cell. The bacterial cell reveals the three layers. The one is a capsule or glycocalyx, cell wall and cytoplasm. Okay, so we will learn one by one. The first one is a capsule or glycocalyx. So this one is a capsule or glycocalyx. So which is surrounded by a gelatinous substance and composed of the polysaccharides and polypeptides, and both polysaccharides and polypeptides. This thick layer of glycocalyx is bound tightly to the cell wall. So this is known as a capsule. What's the function of the capsule means? It will help to the desiccation and also antibiotics. Okay, and due to the sticky nature of the capsule, it will easily bind on the root surfaces, human teeth and tissues. And what is the main help of the capsule means? It is also maintain the nutrients in the bacterial cell. Okay, the next one is the cell wall. Okay, so this one is a capsule and the next one is the cell wall. So cell wall means it gives the granular and rigid, and also it gives the protection and shape of the bacterial cell. Okay, so bacterial cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan and mucopeptide. In chemically we can say as a N-acetyl glucosamine and N-acetyl uramic acid, and it has the peptide chain of 4 and 5 amino acids. And one more point is bacterial cell wall has the surface which has the porine protein is present. What's the function of the porine protein means? That is the diffusion of the solutes. Okay, so this is the cell wall. The next one is the plasma membrane, and this one is the plasma membrane in a dark brown color. Okay, in this diagram. So plasma membrane is made up of by lipoprotein. Okay, so what's the function of the plasma membrane means? Entry and exit of the small molecules and ions, which is done by this membrane easily. And inside the plasma membrane, there is the presence of the oxidation of metabolites for the respiration chain, and also photosystem of the photosynthesis enzymes also present inside the plasma membrane. Okay, so capsule, cell wall and plasma membrane. Next we have to learn in the cell organelles. Next one is the cytoplasm, which is inside the plasma membrane. So cytoplasm is a thick semi-transparent material and which has the ribosomes and other cell inclusions which is present in the cytoplasm. So what is the inclusion? Cell inclusions means that is the glycogen, and so this is the cell inclusions told. So some other glycogens and polypeta hydroxybutyrate granules and sulfur granules and some of the gas vesicles which is present inside the cytoplasm. The next one is the bacterial chromosome. So this one is the nucleoid or DNA. Okay, so this one is the bacterial chromosome. So bacterial chromosome is a single standard circular DNA and tightly coiled inside the bacterium, which is enclosed in the membrane in the eukaryote. Okay, so eukaryote only they are enclosed in the cell membrane, but here this is present in the central portion. So name of the bacterial chromosome is already we know about the nucleoid or genopore. And what's the amazing of the DNA of the E. coli means? It measures about the 1 millimeter long. Okay, and which is not bound the histone protein because it is a prokaryotic. So there is no bound the histone proteins. And this is a single standard DNA molecule and also circular and attached to the plasma membrane. Suppose when it is attached to the plasma, this one is the plasma membrane, attached to the plasma membrane, and it is believed that is easily separation for the two chromosome after the DNA replication. Okay. Next one is the plasmid. So plasmid is a extra chromosomal double stranded circular self-replicating autonomous elements. Okay, this is the plasmid. So extra chromosomal double stranded circular self-replicating autonomous elements. It is used for the fertility and antibiotic resistant and heavy metals, which has the fertility, antibiotic resistant and heavy metals, which is present and which has the following. And the size of the plasmid is 1 to 500 kb, and it contributes the 0.5% to the 5% of the total DNA. So total DNA on the 0.5 to 5% of the total DNA oda structure வந்து the plasmid வந்து contributes பண்ணது. Okay, and it is also the helps for the production of bacteriocins and toxins. Okay, which is not present in the bacterial chromosome. Okay, so types of their function, the plasmids are divided into 5. So suppose the plasmid help for the fertility means F plasmid, and resistant means that is a R plasmid, and coalcine production means that is a coal plasmid, and root inducing plasmid means RI plasmid, and tumor inducing plasmid means TA plasmid. So due to their function of the characteristics, plasmids has to 5 types. Next one is mesosomes. Okay, so here is the mesosomes. It is the infolding of the plasma membrane and produced into the cell in the form of vesicles. So some of the vesicles and tubules and lamella is produced from this infoldings of the plasma membrane. That name is mesosome. Okay, so this clumped and folded together maximum surface area of the bacterium, and it is used for the respiration and the binary fission of the bacterial cell. And then next one is the polyribosomes or polysomes. So here is the polyribosome here, and this one is so polyribosomes or polysomes. Okay, so we already know about the ribosomes is the site of the protein synthesis. It varies from the bacterial cell from 10,000 to the 15,000 number. And then here is the prokaryotic ribosome means it has 2 subunits. One is the 50S and 30S subunits. Okay, so ribosomes and also mRNA together, and the name is polysomes or polyribosomes. The next structure is the flagellum. So flagella is a satin motile bacteria have numerous thin hair-like process of variable length emerge from the cell wall. Emerge from the cell wall. It is called a flagella. What is the diameter means 20 to 30 micrometer in diameter and also 15 micrometer in length. So diameter na this one, and length is 15 micrometer is length and 20 to 30 diameter. Suppose the eukaryotic cell means it has the 9 plus 2 microtubules of flagella. But this is the prokaryotic bacterium means, so this is the, so bacterial cell is only a prokaryotic. Suppose eukaryotic cell may possess the flagellum like structure means that is the 9 plus 2 microtubules is present. In the prokaryotic bacterial cells only single fibril is made up of by flagellum. Okay, then the main function of the flagellum, it helps for the locomotion. Okay, the next one is a fimbriae or pili. Okay, so fimbriae or pilus. Okay, in singular they told us a pilus. Okay, fimbriae or pili. So it is a hair-like appendages found on the surface of the cell wall of the gram-negative bacterium. For example, Enterobacterium, and E. coli is also a gram-negative bacteria. And what is the long and diameter means 0.2 to 20 micrometer long. Okay, 0.2 to 20 micrometer long, and with the diameter of about, diameter means the width. Okay, so 0.025 micrometer is diameter. And what's the main function of the pili means, suppose which is involved in the sexual reproduction of the bacterium, especially conjugation means the pili is known as a sex pili. Okay, so sex pili is also found in the gram-negative bacterium. So this is the ultrastructure of the bacterial cell. Okay, so capsule, cell wall, plasma membrane, and cytoplasm. Inside the cytoplasm, we learned the bacterial chromosome, that is a nucleoid, and plasmid, some other cellular inclusions, ribosomes, and mesosome, and pili, and flagellum. Okay, so this is the ultrastructure of the bacterial cell. Thank you.